There's 4 keys left. Which one? This one's hard, huh?
The biggest number or smallest?
I don't know. It's all random.
Let's see. Where is the thing? Oh. Wrong way.
Oh,
Yay! Thanks, Kate. I choose.
Yep, got a token.
You got a token, Emma.
Good job, Emma.
This is funny because.
Oh, that's so cute.
I miss my mommy.
Kaji
Family!
Hi, Emma and Kay.
Hi, Mommy.
What are we going to do today?
Play a board game.
Yeah, so here we have a fun game with the kitty on top here, and there's a bird right there trapped inside. So our job is to find the correct key to open up the bird cage, and then when you do, you get one of these little tokens inside. The first person to get 3 tokens first win, okay?
Okay.
Right, let's see who can open the bird cage. All right, I'll let Emma go first. Which key do you want?
I choose this one.
Okay, let's see if it can open up the bird cage.
Yeah.
Come on, Emma. Let's see.
Or maybe it might be the wrong way.
Let's see.
Wrong way?
Yep. No, the key doesn't work. It's the wrong key.
I'm gonna choose now.
Okay, Kate.
Let's choose 3.
Okay.
Let's try and open it with 3.
Let's see. Does it work? Nope. Wrong key, Kate.
Your turn.
All right, guys. Which key should we choose? This one. Come on, little birdie. Let's see if we can open up. Let's see. Yay! We free the bird. That's why there's a whole bunch of feathers. That means one of this token is ours.
Congratulations, Mommy.
Thank you, Kay.
Congratulations, Mommy.
Thank you, girls. All right, guys.
Cool, Mommy.
We got 1 token. All right, so here's how we reset. So we loaded up the feathers and we press this down, and when you do, the bird comes out. Right there. Emma's turn. Which key? That one?
Try.
Let's see.
Let's see if you get it. 4.
Of course.
Mind. Oh.
Wrong key. Okay, Kate's turn. Choose wisely.
Let's try 1.
Okay.
Seriously?
Nope, wrong key, Kate.
Mommy, your turn.
Thank you. All right, let's see if we can get lucky again.
Oh.
All right, let's see. Come on. Come on. Nope. Wrong key. All right, Emma's turn.
Not the right move. We haven't do this one.
Yeah, we haven't. Try it. Nope, wrong key.
Let's try. Wait, maybe 3. Yeah.
Come on, Kay. Let's see. Nope.
Mommy, it's your turn.
All right, guys, come on. There's only 5 keys left. Let's choose this one. Come on, let's save the bird. Save the bird. Nope. All right, Emma, your turn. There's 4 keys left. Which one? This one's hard, huh?
The biggest number or smallest?
I don't know. It's all random.
Let's see. Where is the thing? Oh. Wrong way. Yay! Thanks, Kate. I choose.
Yep, got a token.
You got a token, Emma.
Good job, Emma.
This is funny because.
Oh, that's so cute.
I miss my mommy.
All right, we're gonna reset.
That was so fun, Mommy.
Close the door. So this round, we're gonna start with Kate because she's next.
Let's see.
Everything is reset. The bird is inside.
4.
Okay.
So
Come on, Kate. Can you rescue the bird?
Aw.
No. All right, guys. It's Mommy's turn.
I'll let you go first.
Oh, thank you.
Go,
Let's
Mommy.
choose this key.
Go, Mommy. Go.
Thank you.
Mommy,
Let's
go,
see. Come
Mommy.
on. Is it the right key? No. Nope. The cat's like, no. Look, the cat's trying to grab the bird. Do you see the hand there? Woo. Okay. Wrong key.
But it's too deep.
Yeah. All right, Emma, your turn.
Go, Emma.
Go, Emma, go.
3.
Okay. Let's
Try.
see. Nope.
Not the right key.
Kate's turn.
I'm trying this one.
Okay.
Let's see. Oh.
Come on, Kate.
Mommy.
Okay, let me.
Turn, you have to do this.
Thank you. What if I get lucky again? This key, guys?
Yes.
Let's see. Come on. Wait, did it work?
Yes. Congratulations, Mommy. I give you this one, Mommy.
Get the token for me? Thank you. Emma got me a little token.
We freed the
There it
bird.
is. Yeah, we freed the bird. It's a team effort, right?
Yeah.
So we have to reset. Put
So
the
how do
feathers
we-
on top. Okay, let me press down
One
the
more.
notch on the side, and then the bird will come down. Ready? There we go. All right, Emma's turn for this
Go,
one.
Emma. Go, Emma. Go, Emma.
Go, Emma. Did it work?
Oh, so close.
Super close, right?
Let's
Go, Kate.
try
Go,
to.
Kate. You got
I
this.
believe it. So close.
Yeah, it's okay, Kate.
Your turn,
Mommy's
Mommy.
turn. Let's see
Go,
this one.
Mommy.
Thank you, Kate.
Go, I believe in you. I believe in you.
Thank you, Emma.
What? Congratulations, Mom. You won.
What? I get another token? Yay! Mommy wins. Mommy won. It's the first time I win.
Congratulations. Great job, Mom.
Oh, thank you, Emma. It's Emma's turn. Which key will you choose? Choose wisely.
Wisely. Ooh. 3.
Okay.
Go, Emma.
Go, Emma.
Go,
Emma.
We got bright leg.
Let's free the bird. Let's free the bird.
A warm way. Oh. Boom.
Go, Kate. Go, Kate.
I hope you get this one.
Yep, we all hope you got this one, Kate.
Let's try 2.
Okay. The cat saying nope. Try again.
What is it?
Emma, your turn, Emma.
Go, Emma. Go, Emma.
Which key will you choose?
4.
Okay.
Go, Emma.
Get it?
I can't reach it. This is too big. Congratulations, Emma.
Oh.
I'm worried. I'm worried about my grandson. I need to move. Bye, bye. Yay!
Go, Emma.
Yay!
Good job, Emma. Next round goes
I hope
to
you
Kate.
get one of these things.
Yep, a token. You got this, Kate. You got this.
I believe in you.
We believe in you, Kate.
Oh. Good try.
Good try, Kate.
I'll try 3. Wait, can I see your number? 2. 3, right?
Nope. Okay, Kate, your turn. Come on, baby girl.
Let's see. Maybe 3.
Okay, come on, Kate. Nope. All right, Emma, your turn. You got this, baby
Where's
girl.
4? Is this 4? Yeah, definitely 4. Wait.
No.
Emma.
There you go. All
There
right,
has to be
Kate's
something that
turn.
we didn't do.
Go, Kate. Which one?
Let's try a 3
Okay.
and see if it's gonna work.
Yay! Good job, Kate. All right, get your token. You free the bird.
And you got 1 token. Yay!
Kate, good job.
Thank you!
Emma's turn. She has 2 tokens, so she only needs 1 more to win. Let's see if she can win this.
Yikes, I'm just hoping. We were playing.
It's okay.
I'm gonna
Alright.
choose my next one.
Okay, Kate's turn. Let's see.
Try a 2.
Okay, good idea.
Nice
It's
try.
okay. Emma, your turn. Let's
Where
see.
is the thingy?
Oh, it's okay. We'll get it. Go, Kate. Go, Kate.
Good try, Kate.
Thank you. That's right. Good try, Kate. Emma's turn.
1. The same, seriously.
Go, Emma.
Go. Oh.
It's okay.
Let's try a 3.
Okay. Come on, Kate. Oh, wow.
try.
Yeah, good try. All right. Only 4 more keys. Yeah.
Not 3 more.
Let's see.
Surprise, Emma! Think.
Yeah, you did it.
tokens can I get?
I don't know.
Hot's too hot. I don't like hot. Oh, but I do like the night.
Good job, Emma.
Go, Emma. Good try, Kate.
All right, so thank you so much for watching our Saving the Bird video. You guys did such a great job together.
Bye, guys. Bye. Cat says bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
There we go. Tip, 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 tip.